Hi, in this video I will share the Indira Gandhi University MCA data structures and algorithms previous questions solved. The question is how many different traversals of a binary tree are possible. Explain them with examples. Binary tree data structure. A binary tree is a special tree where each non-leaf node can have at most 2 child nodes. The most important types of trees which are used to model yes or no, on or off, and higher or lower. That is, binary decisions are binary trees. Binary tree representation. A binary tree is represented by a pointer to the topmost node, commonly known as the root, of the tree. If the tree is empty, then the value of the root is null. Each node of a binary tree contains the following parts: data, pointer to left child, pointer to the right child. Basic operation on binary tree: inserting an element, removing an element, searching for an element, traversing the tree. Auxiliary operation on binary tree: finding the height of the tree, find the level of a node of the tree, finding the size of the entire tree. Traversing the binary tree. Traversal is a technique for visiting all of a tree's nodes and printing their values. Traversing a tree involves iterating over all nodes in some manner. We always start from the root, head, node since all nodes are connected by edges, links. Types of traversal of binary tree. There are 3 types of traversal of a binary tree: in-order tree traversal, pre-order tree traversal, post-order tree traversal. The diagrammatic representation is as follow as. In-order tree traversal. The left subtree is visited first, followed by the root, and finally the right subtree in this traversal strategy. Always keep in mind that any node might be a subtree in and of itself. The output of a binary tree traversal in order produces sorted key values in ascending order. Algorithm in-order tree. Traverse the left subtree, that is, call in-order left greater than subtree, visit the root, traverse the right subtree, that is, call in-order right greater than subtree. The program is as follow as. Pre-order tree traversal. In this traversal method, the root node is visited first, then the left subtree, and finally the right subtree. Algorithm pre-order tree. Visit the root, traverse the left subtree, that is, call pre-order left greater than subtree, traverse the right subtree, that is, call pre-order right greater than subtree. The program is as follow as. Post-order tree traversal. The root node is visited last in this traversal method, hence the name. First, we traverse the left subtree, then the right subtree, and finally the root node. Algorithm post-order tree. Traverse the left subtree, traverse the right subtree, visit the root. The program is as follow as.